Hello guys and welcome back to the How To channel. In this video we will see how to get live from our PC on TikTok. For this we're in the browser and we are going to search for TikTok Live. Here we'll have the for option, which is TikTok Live Studio, and once here we'll find this area where we can download this program right here. As we can see, it says build the ultimate live experience. So let's click where it says download. And we're going to select our device or our operating system, in this case Windows. So let's wait. And once it's downloaded, we'll have to install this. We'll have to give the corresponding permission to our device to get to the installation area. We'll have the quick installation or customization somewhere. If we click here, I can choose where I want this file to be installed. So once that's done, we'll click install. We'll see that the full installation of our TikTok Live Studio is taking place. So let's wait for it to finish installing and then we'll open it. Then we will click on get access and it will send us to the link here, where obviously we are going to have more information. As you can see, it says get started today, and here we could request access. We click on apply and here we'll have to submit a request. It says select platform. In this case it will be, for example, we will choose other, and here we'll show the URL. Here are screenshots and email address. So once we do all this, well, we should send the request. So once here, well, in this case, let's leave it like this so we can visualize how it will work. So once here on the page, or well, the main interface of TikTok Live, we're going to have all of this information where we can see everything we'll be able to do. Among them, in this area, we'll have the scenes. We will have the edit mode where we can choose if your live will be vertical or horizontal mode or a dual design. So, which obviously here tell us that this will allow this for more than 25 minutes. So here we have that this could take up to 48 hours. So if we want to have anything in horizontal already and we want to add a source, what we are going to do is click here where it says add source. Once we click here, we'll have all of these options, and here we'll have game capture, cameras, phone camera among them. Well, for example, we'll click on game capture. We'll click add, and here we can select the game we want to capture. So here we would select the games we have in case it's currently open, but in my case, since we don't have anything open, well, it won't be pressable. And if we want to do a live in general, we will click on add source, window capture, we click add set, and here we have all the windows we could share. In this case, for example, I select this one, and as you can see here, we'll be visualizing more of this, where we can edit the overlay. For example, if I only want to put this part here, if I want to center it, or if I want to move this follower goal, I can make it bigger or smaller. It can be seen. I could put in the corner, among the other things. So here we'll have some other tools like the live goal, pulse to both, more of these things that are very interesting, as we can see. So leaving this aside, what we have to do, besides what I mentioned about making the request to have the possibility to go live, well, we are just going to click where it says start live, and we'll be doing our first live from our PC with TikTok Live Studio.